Dude, Superman can fly, Spider-Man can swing. What do you think Batman does when he gotta get to the scene, boys? Hey guys, you can win this car, by the way. Guess what, guys? We got new merch. It's all comfy, it's all cozy, really cool designs, and guess what? You can win a Supra. Hey, but seriously, we got new merch today. Go check it out at 53supply.com, or I'm gonna send Batman after you. Every $5 you spend gets you one chance to win this Mark IV Supra, and that's pretty cool. Just walk. I was supposed to do this. I did not. It's probably fine. Aaron's gonna open this bad mamma jamma up. Guys, I haven't made a video on this car in a long time. This car has had quite the story. Its whole life, really. And as you can hear and see, the car runs and drives perfectly fine now. I'm actually gonna end up selling this car. Full transparency, this 370Z is gonna cost me for anywhere between $60,000 and $80,000 to build. So I've gotta sell some cars, make some room in the budget, and also just make some more room in my shop. But we got some mods for it today, because I do wanna drive this thing around while I do have it. I'm gonna probably daily this thing and really enjoy it, because this car is super awesome. Because I did the roll bar, I removed all the soft top stuff, because this was supposed to be my race car, and you know, look how this is so sad. So this brand new Momo seat that I bought less than a year ago, that's depressing. But I'm excited for this. The best mod for the S2000, a hardtop. I ordered this a while ago, I think before Julianne was born. Ooh! It's pre-painted, carbon fiber. I spent way too much money on this hardtop, but it's worth it because it's sick. Oh my God, yeah, I definitely have to clean the car now. It's glass, and like I said, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. So sick. My favorite style of hardtop. It's gonna be mint, boys. It's so good. Depending on your budget, Garen, we could toss you in here, and this could be your little house. You could live in the shop for a little while. House. I need to go change batteries, so I'm gonna stop this clip.
Always run out of batteries.
I'd be doing that, you know. I'd be filming and stuff. Look at it. Both of my Miatas outside. Let's go. Guys, holy cow, that looks insane. But hold on, look at this inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. Carbon fiber, full carbon fiber.
It doesn't fit with the seat. It's hitting the seat.
That's fine. Let's take the seat out. We'll get a new one in there. I need to use that for my pro cars anyway, so I kind of thought that this was gonna have to happen, but so this Momo I needed to take out anyways, because I'm not gonna race this car. We're gonna put the original seats. This is actually pretty cool. This is a pretty rare Recaro. Ethan had a custom, like real leather cover go over it to match the S2000's interior. So it's pretty cool. I only took it out because I wanted, you know, more race car things, but I ended up drifting instead of doing HPD and time attack. Time attack will still happen eventually down the line, but it's not on the cards at the moment. Miata.
Funny looking
Mazda Miata.
This is a funny looking Miata.
Mazda Miata. Take off the... Where's
Lovely spider wedge.
Trust me, I'm a doctor. Nice. It's a me, Mario.
GoPro was lighter than this thing.
Yeah, well, life's hard. Get a helmet, bud. There's literally zero instruction. Forbidden USA, cool hardtops. No instructions.
Where did instruction at though?
That is cool though. Like this is vacuum sealed, legit carbon fiber. This is not
your O'Reilly's parts store. I wrap my mirror carbon fiber. You know who you are.
Haters will say it's fake. This is so stupid expensive. I could have bought another BMW for this. Is it a special car? Do you like this car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go over here.
Okay, we'll go where?
Over here.
Okay, over here. What shape is this?
It's a height.
Yeah.
No way.
And oh, no way.
That's a height.
Yeah. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby.
Very OEM.
Yes, sir. Let's look at it from the inside because it's carbon fiber. Did I say it was carbon fiber?
Yeah, like 7.
Did I say it was carbon fiber, guys? Did I mention it was carbon fiber? Did I say it was carbon fiber?
What's the factory brackets?
Yeah. Sweet. These get bolted on like a so, and hopefully it does not fly out because I would cry. Dude, the carbon in here is insane. That's got to be one of the coolest things I have seen. This is sick. This is awesome, honestly. Here we go, ladies and gents. I've been wanting a hardtop since I got the car. I am pretty amped on it. I need to get some safety latches for that, and then, you know, we need to clean it up, dude. It's been sitting outside for forever at the tuner. Oh, did you make a mess with your fish? Oh no. What the heck?
They're not smiling anymore.
Did you dump him?
Yeah, when me clean up.
She's my daughter. Here we go, boys. Might go take it for a spin real quick, see how she goes. Somebody's got to contact Child Protective Services because I got security.
Take a nap in here.
Let's see what she do, bro. We made it back without going to jail. That's a W in my book. This car looks so awesome. So I'm back from the VIN inspection. It's actually a lot quicker process than I thought it was gonna be, so I'm pretty amped about that. But if you, the story behind that is, I bought it from one of my best friends in Arkansas. And in Arkansas, you can get away with literally anything. Apparently Ethan didn't have the title the whole time. But the guy who sold it to him like lost the title or something, so then allegedly Ethan filed for a lost title, and then Arkansas just never gave him the title. And so I've owned this car for a year and a half. No title, kind of annoying. I didn't think it was a huge deal at first because like my original idea was to try and just do like track stuff with this car. Then the whole explodey happened, and then I got into drifting a lot more than I thought I was going to. And so I kind of just let this, let this thing sit, and we figured it out. Now we're gonna have the title, and that'll make it easier to sell, obviously, because selling a car without a title is kind of obnoxious. Life's been weird, man. I know a lot of people hate when YouTubers, you know, sell cars because like our budgets are apparently infinite, and we have to keep the cars that we make 1 or 2 videos on for forever, right? This car's insanely cool, but I mean, I'm gonna be spending a ton of money on this drift car, and so life has changed so much. You know, look at my car collection and look at how much my taste has changed over the past few years. I mean, you look at my R33, which I'm gonna try and keep that as long as I can unless I get just ridiculous money for it. But look at my R33, look at my S2000, look at my Civics. I have gone through so many different phases trying to figure out exactly what I love when it comes to driving, and I will say drifting has won it for sure. And I didn't think that was gonna be a thing because I honestly thought it was kind of overhyped and overplayed, but it's just genuinely a good time. And albeit expensive, it's really fun, and I like the styling of cars. So yeah, man, I gotta free up the garage space, and unfortunately I do, you know, it's life. Like, you gotta get rid of some stuff and move on. I hate getting rid of cars sometimes more than you do, but this is gonna be the first time in my life that I've actually had a reason to. I don't think twice about my AMG being gone. I don't think twice about my 350Z being gone, 2JZ Supra being gone. It's just I've made moves in the right direction for once in my life, and that's crazy to me. So it's obviously for the better. And I didn't mean to talk about this for this long, but yeah. And along with the Supra, like, you know, you guys, make sure you guys enter into winning that, because that's crazy. That's a crazy opportunity. You guys can win one of the coolest Supras, one of the coolest cars I've ever built. But, you know, I don't drive it. It's for you guys, you know? You guys enjoy it. Have fun with it. Every $5 you spend, it gets you one chance to win a 600 horsepower JDM Supra. And that's not something you can say every day. Giveaways are probably oversaturated now, and they're everywhere. But, you know, it helps us a ton. The merchandise you guys buy, it goes immediately back into my life and into the channel to try and give you guys content. So we appreciate you guys. I mean, it's also insanely comfortable merch. I encourage you guys to go check it out, get some entries, grab some entries. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching so much. Somewhere in there was my daily advice. Gather with it what you will, but you know, life changes. And you got to make decisions based on where you want to go, where you need to be, and what's most responsible, you know? And a lot of people don't do that, and I encourage you, I want you to do that. Have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys next video. Go win the Supra. Peace.